In this calligraphy video, I'm going to show you 5 easy ways you can write March in calligraphy. And we're going to dive right in. And the first way that we're going to be writing March is with faux calligraphy. And I'm going to be using this Pentel Sparkle Pop gel pen. It's like a tongue twister when I'm trying to say it. Doing calligraphy with the glitter gel pens is super fun. And so that's why I decided to use this for the first way to write March in calligraphy. I'm also keeping this part of the video real time because I wanted to show you how slow you should be going when you're doing calligraphy. Faux calligraphy is usually one of the writing styles that's going to take us the longest because you are writing the word and then you're adding outlines to the downstrokes, which is basically every time you move your pen downward, and then you are filling in those outlines to imitate the look of calligraphy. Now, another way that you can do faux calligraphy is by only doing the outlines and not filling in the outlines that you create. This is another calligraphy style that you can do. Or you can also choose to color in with a different color to give it a different style. The second way that we're going to write March in calligraphy is with a regular modern calligraphy style, and I'm using the Pentel Fude brush pen. Now with calligraphy, remember that you're going to press down every time your pen goes downward, which is the downstrokes, and then you're going to release the pressure when your pen goes up, and this is what's going to help you to create the difference between the thin upstrokes and the thick downstrokes. The third way that we're going to write March is with bounce lettering. I'm going to keep using the same brush pen that I was using before, but this time a different color. And as you can see here, we're going to extend the downstrokes past the baseline, and this creates a more playful lettering style, which as you can see, the letters are like bouncing off the lines, and that's why we call it bounce lettering. Now, the fourth way that we write in March is with a flourish calligraphy. And so for this, we're adding these little embellishments to some of the ends of the strokes. And this is what creates a more elegant calligraphy style, as you can see here. Now pay close attention with the thick and the thin downstrokes because this is gonna help you on how you're gonna start and end each letter. For the last way that we're gonna be lettering March in calligraphy is with a block lettering style. I'm still using the same Pentel Fude brush pen. This is like a sans serif type of lettering style. If you want to keep practicing your March lettering as well as all the months, I'm gonna add the link to my workbook where I have each month of the year done in 5 different ways for you to practice. And if you want even more hand lettering ideas for March, be sure to check out my next video where I give you different hand lettering styles that you can use in your bullet journal. I'll see you there.